Hello YouTube. Today I just want to show you how I set up my workshop crate. That was the original crate we always had, just riding around on the truck, and it always gets rained on and everything was wet in here. This is all those hand tools like hammers in all sizes and shapes and chisels and everything we need, and that's better, I guess, like that. We fit this whole thing in and still have plenty of room for I don't know, jigsaw, or how do you call it, reciprocating saw, I guess, and even straps and glue and some big chisels and everything. So I think that's pretty cool. This is exactly why I bought it, and with the handle you can move it fast with the handle and have that easy access if you need something in a hurry. Pretty awesome, pretty cool. And yeah, that's the shot. The wheels, pretty amazing. And if I wanted to, I could fit those boxes on top on those latches. Maybe I'll do that real quick, just to show you guys. Maybe not. It's a little broken out. That's the problem with the weaker system. Normally I have a tough case system also around, but that's the problem with the weaker boxes. So can't fit this box on top because it's rolled around on the truck, was pushed and shoved on the bed, and that ruins those lips. So the tough case is better, but the tough case, the first version, or the first iteration of the tough case was also bad. Had also broken stuff out on the bottom, right there. Tough case 2.0 is better. Maybe I can show you. See, this is the tough case, the first iteration, and it's the same problem, exactly the same problem. And 2.0 is a little beefier and but still gets a little chewed up. You see this plastic failing from having it pushed around, pushed. Like this is the way it goes the whole day, pushed, and then these lips get chewed up. That was the 2.0. It's better than the first, but I don't know. Maybe they should figure out something that doesn't go on the bottom, that does lock in on the sides. That would be a good idea, DeWalt. Okay, that's for the crate. Have a die Erde.